Hey guys, welcome to today's Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 748, shortest completing word. So we're told that we're given a string license plate and an array of strings words, and we need to find the shortest completing word in words. And a completing word, we're told, is a word that contains all the letters in license plate. We need to ignore numbers and spaces, and we need to treat letters as case insensitive. So if a letter appears more than once in license plate, and it must appear in the word the same number or more. So, for example, if license plate equals A, B, C, 1, 2, C, well then the shortest word should contain A, B, and 2 C's. So possible completing words would be A, B, C, C, D, E, F, and these two as well, C, B, C, A, C, A, 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 C, A, B. We need to return the shortest completing word in words, and we are guaranteed an answer. And if there are multiple shortest completing words, we need to return the first one that occurs in words. Okay. Here we're given some examples, and we're also given some constraints. So the way we can do this is by using a hash map or counter approach. And that's recording all the characters in license plate and then matching that with our words. And if the frequency of characters in a word is greater than or equal to the frequency in license plate, that means we can form a potential license plate. And in that case, that could be a potential shortest word for us. So let's start off with creating our counter for our license plate. So let's just call it license counter. I will set it equal to C for, and C is going to be for C in license plate if C.is alpha. So we want to make sure that C is alphanumeric, and we need to also make sure that C is lowercase. So told that the letters are supposed to be case insensitive. And let's wrap this up in a counter. And then let's create a flag or a variable called shortest word. And by default, this will be equal to none, but because we are guaranteed an answer, our shortest word will eventually be populated in this variable. And now we can say for word in word. So let's iterate through the word list. If, and we're going to wrap the condition that we're going to do in an, actually no, let's first create a word counter. So let's create word counter equal to just counter word dot lowercase. And now let's do our condition. So we say if or word counter C. So so for each character in our word, let's call that character C. If the frequency is greater than or equal to our license counter character property, we're going to say for C in license counter. Well, we've found a potential word, like potential complete word, but now we want to make sure if this is the shortest one. So we're going to say if shortest word is none, or the length of our word is less than the length of our shortest word, well then we want to make the current word that we're at the shortest word. So we will say shortest word is going to be equal to our word. And once this for loop is complete, we want to say, let's just return the shortest word, because we know that we've got a guaranteed answer, so there's no more conditions that we need to do here. So let's run our code. and we passed both test cases. Now let's submit our code as well. Amazing, we passed all 102 test cases. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one.